I found something very useful from Nescafe powder and 70% alcohol liquid. This will be a wood varnish that beautifies the wood. You don't need to buy expensive varnish. Other materials we need wood glue or fox glue. Next, we prepare a place to mix the ingredients. Here we use a plastic bottle. You can also use another container. Once ready, we cut the plastic for the container. Then we will mix in the Nescafe powder. Pour 2 Nescafe powders. This depends on the media to be applied. If the medium we are painting is large, then we need some Nescafe powder. Here I only used 2 Nescafe sachets because the media for painting is not much or not big. Next we add 70% alcohol liquid. With 70% alcohol, this will melt the Nescafe powder evenly. Stir until the 2 ingredients are mixed. Next we need fox glue or wood glue. Mix the wood glue into the Nescafe. Adjust the amount according to your needs. Stir until thoroughly mixed. This process may take a little longer, but it will produce more perfect results. After everything is mixed evenly, we add a little more 70% alcohol. The material is ready to be applied. Prepare the wood that has been cleaned. Give a little bit of a divider to differentiate the varnish paint results. Now let's paint this wood with the varnish paint that we have made. Do it slowly so that it is evenly distributed and absorbed into the pores of the wood. Look, the wood looks shiny like it's been treated with expensive varnish. Next we dry it first. We try again on another piece of wood. We dry it again. Let's try it on bigger media. Do it slowly so that the paint layer is even and the results are perfect. Look, this plywood media is very beautiful and shiny. After drying, look at this wood. It looks shiny and beautiful. We don't waste money anymore on buying expensive varnish paint. The mixture of Nescafe and 70% alcohol works very well and perfectly. Good luck trying it. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you.